Hitting a backhand serve, you have two options. You can either serve short or you can flick. Let's start to demonstrate the short serve. First, you'll need to find a place on court where you feel comfortable. Then you'll need to place your feet with a comfortable distance apart. You will likely have the dominant foot a little bit in front of the other foot, and you will lean your body weight slightly on the dominant foot, which will cause the heel of the other foot to lift. The starting position of your arm should be elevated to around or just below 90 degrees between your arm and your body. There should be around 90 degrees of an angle in your elbow, and you should be holding a backhand grip. In this position, your racket head should be pointing slightly downwards. The position of your racket head in this direction is up to personal preference. The shuttle should be held between your thumb and index finger, and you should be careful not to get in the way with the other fingers. As you start to serve, you want to keep the movement as simple as possible. Therefore, you hold your shoulder and your wrist still, moving only in your elbow joint and pushing gently with your thumb. The place on the racket head where you hit the shuttle is up to personal preference. I prefer to hit the shuttle around this area of the racket. The backhand flick is almost identical to the backhand short serve. The only difference is, at the last moment, instead of hitting the shuttle softly, you will flick in your wrist and pushing with your thumb, sending the shuttle quickly over your opponent's head towards the back of the court. You would use the backhand flick to surprise your opponent and get the advantage.